Do I make you horny, baby? Oh, hey. Now this is one hell of a blowjob.
Really worked out well because, well, why would a guy walk up to a bunch of police officers in New York City on Times Square?
And then we have this fear of unpredictable circumstances, the fear of the unknown. We might procrastinate.
You a Jew, right?
Yeah, I think I'm lucky that I exist, I guess. But yes,
That your main video that I seen is this your man with the titties like a woman?
Duty is quite self-explanatory. Ambiguity refers to triple or more interpretation and in some context, some syntax.
Now this is one hell of a blowjob. I make you horny, baby. Oh, hey.